Free State Information Directory is a comprehensive information portal covering the province which is home to the judicial capital of South Africa. Due to its great expanse, the Free State has many interesting tourism routes to be explored. Filled with historical landmarks and monuments, the Free State is underestimated as a tourist destination and is well worth a visit. We have over 350 online marketing directories across South Africa, targeting provinces, towns, regions and routes. Listing your business on these directories is just a click away. The cost to subscribe covers a 12-month membership with no hidden costs or monthly subscriptions. Your business will be listed on up to 10 different marketing directories. A listing includes a direct link to your website, email addresses and social media, as well as a location map and up to 20 photos of your business, including your logo. Your listing is totally personalized to reflect your brand and business. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for exciting travel information on South Africa. Contact us for more information.